Want to know how to find the longest word in a sentence in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Java application. Here you can just simply copy up this code and modify it as you want. Now, to get the longest word, what we do is, as always, we split the sentence into tokens and track the max length. So I'm using split with double slash and double plus, as you can see right here on the string array words. So punctuation does not count as a part of word. So we loop once and then we update longest when we see the bigger word. So that here you can see our string is I love clean Java code. So you can tweak the regex if you want to keep apostrophes or hyphens, and it's super practical for text processing and quick analytics. I'm just going to run this code to show you how it works, and there you go, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.